Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonu and in this video I'll be sharing with you all how I made onion pakora. Let's get started with the ingredients required. Some green chilies and salt, a ball of gram flour also called as besan, semolina also called as Susie, and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. We will need some oil for frying the pakoras. I will be starting by chopping the onions as shown and making sure it's no more than approx an inch. Once I chop all the onions, I will be transferring it to a glass bowl. I have used 3 large-sized red onions for making the pakoras. The first and most important step for making the pakora is adding the salt. I have used 1 tablespoon of salt. You can use the salt as per your taste. Once the salt is being mixed with the pakora, I will be adding some semolina. This will help make the pakora to be crispy. Then I will be adding some red chili powder. Then in goes green chilies. And then in goes the gram flour, the besan. And a little bit of turmeric. I'm using my hand to give the ingredients a good mix together. You should try avoiding additional water because more water will make pakoras less crispy. So next step will be heating the pan to medium to high temperature and putting the pakoras into the oil. Once you dip all the pakoras in the oil, you can lower the flame. Let the pakora sit in the oil until it gets golden brown in color. Once it changes the color to golden brown, flip it on the other side. I will be pressing the pakoras gently and flipping it over a couple of times until it gets golden brown in color and looks more crispy. Once the pakora is ready, you can transfer it into a plate. I have used the paper towel to soak the excess oil. This is how my pakora looks like. I will be transferring it to a tray. You can use this onion pakora as a starter for any parties or even enjoy it in a rainy day with a cup of tea. I'm going to serve the pakora with fresh chili sauce. I will be garnishing the pakoras with green onions. This is how my pakora looks like. I hope you enjoy watching the easy pakora recipe. Do give it a try and thanks for watching.